Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I have a really cool review for you. We all know that Christmas does not end on the 25th. We get gift cards, we get late gifts, holiday parties that we attend after the fact. So this one is going to be one of those gifts that you can get for yourself when you need to return something, or if you have an Amazon card, or if you want a late gift, holiday gift, birthday gift, you name it. So these are Apple Watch bands from MissAir. You guys, I am one that likes to match my bands to my outfit, and today is not working. And typically it does not work. Why? Because you're wearing jewelry as well, and that, it's really hard to match them exactly. So MissAir came up with a really cool idea of shining Apple Watch bands, and I'm excited because there are different finishes. So you can get a silver plated, a rose gold plated, and a gold plated, which allows you to really have three bands that you can really just wear with your outfit. So let's unbox these and let's see what you think. Inspired by Dream Ladder and Starry Sky, it blesses every dreamer with a 4-leaf clover. May your wishes come true. As always, while I unbox, please go ahead, consider subscribing to my channel if you like what I do. I do a lot of different product reviews, and you can follow me on Instagram, check me out on Patreon, and leave me a comment. All right, so first off, check it out. It's already gorgeous looking. This one is the Electroplated in silver. There are some that are electroplated in 18K or 24K. This one's the silver one. I already know that this is gonna be amazing. So I wanna do a close-up for you all. So the way that this works is, your watch face would go right there in between these two parts, and then there's a chain detail right here. So it's a really unique design, very elegant. So let's do this. I really want to see how this will look. As always, I don't think I need to explain to you how you do this, but it's very simple. Honestly, you just press on the back of your watch and then you slide, and these slide as well. And what I do like about these bands is that I will be able to match the design of the face of the watch to whatever I decide to use with this. So I just realized as I'm putting this on that this is adjustable, and it is adjustable in a very easy way. You press here, hold on, press here, and you slide. Wow, you guys, I have tiny wrists. This one's gonna be pretty cool. So you put it on just like a bracelet, and then you don't need help from anybody, because I'm always struggling with that. You press on this little thing, and for me, it's gonna go all the way to the top. Check it out. Now you can wear your Apple Watch on a Christmas party or a holiday party or a birthday or a wedding and not look like you're wearing a sportsy looking thing. Now it looks elevated and elegant. And in my case, let me actually show you my watch face so you can see. See, today it kind of matches my outfit. So you can even change the face of your watch to match everything else. I think that is awesome. I'm going to be wearing this every day. You can adjust it if your wrists are a little bigger or if you like the watch a little loose. I really don't, so I'm gonna keep it like this. And I wanna try the other color finishes. Let's go. Here we have the rose gold, which is very in these days. And I'm also gonna unbox this next one so you can see the color differences as we go. Please also support MissAir on Instagram and check them out on Amazon. This one is probably gonna be the one that I wear the most because of the black with the strass. I feel like that's would fit most of my clothing. I always kind of match the black with the silver. So this one's really cool. The rose gold right there, and then the full-on silver plated on this one. Okay, now I'm gonna do this all live. And again, the fact that I can do this on the video and not have to speed it up or completely struggle through this is really cool. I have struggled more with, you know, the watch bands that come on with the watch than with these. These are great. Okay, first one, look how easy that is. Then I'm gonna do the rose gold just for something different. Let's see how it looks. Look how cute. Same detail, same system to put it on and off. And I was reading that not only is like supposed to be, you know, shiny and very cool looking, as I already said, but they have a lasting anti-oxidation process that ensures that they stay shiny for a long time. And I guess if you are not happy with your products, it has a 1-year warranty, so you can actually, you know, give it a shot and then return it if you don't like it. Okay, check this out. So sweet, you guys. The fact that I can do this by myself is amazing. That's probably like my #1 complaint with some of these Apple bands. Look at that. It elevates the watch from an already expensive watch. As you guys know, Apple watches are really expensive, to an even more expensive one. I love the detail. I love that it actually hangs like that, and it creates kind of like a visual cool design. It has a shamrock on the bottom. Beautiful. Let's do the last one just for fun. Okay, here goes the black band, and all clasps from MissAir have undergone a 5-kilogram elasticity test, which allows them to stay firmly on your watch and, you know, enjoy the design without possibly breaking. So check it out. That is actually sweet. This one is my favorite. Same shamrock design, same clasp to adjust. I recommend you guys, please go ahead, check out MissAir. Follow them on Instagram, buy their products. I will put the link to their Amazon here in the description of this video. I will have a code to save you some money up until December 31st. So I would suggest you get on it. If there's an Apple Watch lover in your family, you have to get them one of these. Again, very cool looking. I have spent so much money in bands in the past. I wish I would have known of these. Okay, if you guys like what I do, go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like on this video, and I will see you guys soon in an amazing knife review, EDC review, try on, unboxing, or some other amazing new reviews that I'm doing. Have a great holiday season. Bye.